Tricia, when I think of African violets, I always think of them as being a very delicate plant.
Oh, they are delicate, and I just love them, how velvety they look.
Oh yeah, they're real pretty.
You know, in the past we've talked about not getting water on the plants because the leaves have all of these little nice furry things. But today I'm talking about how to make more of these beautiful plants.
Oh, is that right? You can make them duplicate themselves,
Yes,
huh?
you can propagate them. There are quite a few plants that you can do that with, and this is one of them. What I'm going to start with is use a sterilized knife. It's very important that you're not transferring any kind of germs of any sort from one plant to another. So always make sure you wash the knife first. And then I'm going to find a healthy leaf, and I'm going to cut way down there, okay? And I've just cut, as you can see, part of the stem.
I see.
Now, there are some wonderful products out, and this is simply a rooting hormone.
Oh, I see.
And that's the next step, is that you want to dip that hormone or dip the leaf into that hormone and make sure that it really cakes around there.
I see.
All right? And then what I do, I think there are lots of other ways to do it, but what I like to do is I just stick it through paper, and again, I'm keeping the top part dry, and I'm just going to put it in water. Now what's going to happen is over time, that stem will begin to show little roots. And as soon as they look strong enough, I'm going to transplant it to some nice soil.
Sounds easy.